Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but shispa % ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
A small token of appreciation which means
Chief Executive Member Barim ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Pynïoh Syiem ha ka khandriu tri ujliu ajak pusan ulak hab ribbon ban IT ya ka school bus ka ba ula Pynïoh ya ka Dinet Manik Syiem Memorial High Secondary School Nong Thamai lingba ka Chief Minister Development Fund chung usnam 4000 arphosan 4000 arpun riu ha ka jinglut ka bakot arpu khandai laktam hadien ka jingkhap ribbon uba Pynïoh ula IT yau shabi jongka school bus ha ka principal jongka school ka kong di khargangor ha ka bala sakhilang kinong hikai ki khna school but katuk ni kinong yalam jongka NPP Nong Thamai constituency.
Lord, at this very moment, at this outset, we have here a bus which we never thought we would ever get. And it is all your loving grace which you have showered from the heavens, which have made this day possible. We have amongst us many individuals who have helped us, stakeholders. We've had the Chief Minister coming in at a moment. We've had Pynïoh Singh Sir. We've had the likes of Barefoot Trust, our teachers, parents, and many others who I may forget. But everyone has come to this conclusive part because of your loving grace and your thoughtfulness of bringing us together as one family. Please bless this day and this bus which may serve the best of the purposes from today onwards.
Once again, I would like to cut this ribbon as a mark of handing over this school bus, which has been sanctioned under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. The amount of the school bus is 29,70,000. So a big round of applause once again. Thank you, Chief Minister. Thank you. Slowly. All right, students.
And we thanks her also for giving us this beautiful bus. So I even wanted to sit in this bus for so long, and I said thank you for sir because he gave us this beautiful bus.
Now, wait.
Yes, very lucky to get this bus. From there.
We are really very lucky. Why? We always dream. You always complain that now we always want to have a school bus. Who can imagine that a school bus is right in front of you? This is due to the love. You are happy now, all of you. Your nice bus, different from the other schools you're getting, and you should know who gives you our chief guest, Pynïoh Syiem. He was the ex-chief member of the district council. Now, he is not an MDC, he is not an MLA, but still he can provide us, for you dear children, with a beautiful bus. And you are all proud of yourself. And you know, I will tell you about our chief guest. I never knew him before. I have not met him before. And due to our coordinators, people he always be with us for the last few years, he told me, ma'am, anything the school needs, we can tell to Pynïoh. I told him I never knew, I never saw. So anyway, we will try to meet him. So thank you, sir, for your introducing witnessing both of you. You told me those years about Pynïoh. So as soon as we met Pynïoh, he is just a family member of this school. He's trying his level best to give us whatever we need in this school. So we are very lucky to have him here with us. He has an open heart. And also, especially, this year is the closing ceremony of the Silver Jubilee. So, besides your bus, chairs also you will be having. You'll provide us new chairs for the program of the school. And we should, all of us, pray to the Almighty to bless him, to give him strength and energy to go forward with his future plans. May God bless you, sir. So we hope that he will proceed ahead with the blessing of the Almighty and all of you dear students, because he loves you all. So you have to remember and pray to God for his gift. That gift is a school bus.
First of all, I would like to thank God for this beautiful day, this opportunity that I could meet you, especially a day that will be remembered forever in the history of the school. I, with respect to Madam Principal, Srimati T. Kakumar, and all the teachers, helpers of this school, the management, and especially to our respected Sir Tony Curtis Lingor, who was the ex-MLA of this constituency, Nongmai, and also was the former minister. When Sir was the minister, I was very young at that time, was still a small boy. I used to follow his car while Sir used to come for inspection at Pokse and all. So, and I can't believe to myself that I'll get this opportunity to share dais with Sir in such a wonderful program like this. So, my special greetings to you all is from our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Before I reached the school, I started from my home at Pokse. I called the Chief Minister. I said, Sir, today and at 1:30 p.m. I'll be visiting the school, Dinet Manik Memorial High Secondary School at Nongmai. And also, they have been organizing this inaugural program for this school bus that you gave to the school. So he was very happy, and special greetings from him. We had a discussion that since the students of the school, I came to know that there are many students who come to the school for studying in the school. They have to, to take a long walk, actually those who stay beyond this Nongmai area. So it's quite difficult for them to come to the school. So Madam had approached And I called the Chief Minister. I said, sir, please help the school, because the school is in need of a school bus for the school children. So we have in Meghalaya, the state of Meghalaya, a very energetic and dynamic leader like Sir Conrad K. Sangma. You have seen in media and social media how he lead the state of Meghalaya from where it was before. And I really admire, to share about one thing, is that in 2018, I think you will know this, in 2018, the last budget of the state government of Meghalaya was just more than 10,000 crore. But after this government has took over, the MDA government under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma and Sir Presto Song and all their colleague ministers, today, this year, financial year, the current budget of the state government of Meghalaya, the entire state of Meghalaya, is 27,000 crore. This is a sign, this is a mark that our state has gone up. And just one department, one sector that I want to share about this to you all is that regarding the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. In this department, it's almost, the budget for this financial year is 1,900 crores. This includes building of so many sports infrastructure, improving and management of many sports infrastructure in the state. That's why we have seen so many football stadium has come up and many cricket ground and many other facilities, especially like outdoor and indoor games. So if any one of you here studying in the school, you feel that God has given you a talent in sports activities, so I request you, urge you, please take serious of that, because this government also is very serious in promoting our young children, youths, to be someone to get the platform in the national level and international level as well. I really want to see that our school children who are interested in sports, they should come forward and tell your parents that please meet those respective representatives to guide you, to take you to the sports department and all, so that you can be someone in the future. So today, as we know that we are gathering here for this day, it is a very memorable day for the school and all of us that we got this school bus. And I hope that this school bus will serve and cater the needs of the school and the school children. And also my sincere gratitude to the school management. And not only the school bus that we will be giving to you, but from now onward, more and more, whatever we can help, that this school will be a channel of help in educating our children, will be part of that.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.